Hi, I'm Jill. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, you're going to see me restoring a medium-sized traditional English cottage garden. I live in an 18th century cottage in the southeast of England in a Zone 9 gardening area. I am restoring a barren garden that was just a lawn, boring shrubs and lots of slugs because the garden had been so poisoned with chemicals and pesticides into a flourishing, floral, biodiverse, organic, traditional English cottage garden. In my videos, I cover landscaping, growing garden plants from seed, organic gardening, compost making, and I do lots of garden DIY projects, such as building my own DIY greenhouse for overwintering my plants. In these videos, you will also see all the birds, butterflies, bees, and other wildlife that has come back to live in my garden. I grow lots and lots and lots of flowers, and I also visit other traditional English cottage gardens that are famous around the world. I've turned my garden from a boring, almost dead, chemical-soaked, horrible, exposed place to be into a sheltered, beautiful, glorious place to hang out all day long. So if any of that sounds like something you would be interested in, then please subscribe, comment and share tips and join my growing community of like-minded followers. Thanks for watching and subscribing if you did, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.